How to grow capsicum from seeds at home. Green pepper or capsicum is very easy to grow and great for a newbie gardener to start with. You can grow capsicum from seeds very easily. Follow the simple steps. Cut open a green capsicum. Collect the seeds and place it in a plate. Choose a location with indirect sunlight and place this plate there. The temperature should be anywhere between 20 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees and at night about 15 degrees centigrade. Plant these seeds in a container with well-drained soil. Water this planter regularly until the seeds germinate. After 3 months, you can replant this plant into a larger container. Enjoy a harvest full of capsicum. If you would like to set up a kitchen garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com or call us at 8804 82000. Subscribe to this channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!